Hello, I'm Mike Smith with Goldsmith Sales at InfoCom 2026 here in Las Vegas, and we're in the YesTech booth. YesTech is a major supplier of direct view LED of all kinds, and if you look at this giant booth, we've got an amazing display here of many of their different models that have different attributes. We have curving panels, we have interactive dance floor, we have sky view, we've got transparent panels over here. We've got, as of today, an award-winning, brand new model over here called the Mega. This one best in show this morning.
It's huge.
Yeah, it's very huge. And also a lot of our different models are capable of connecting with each other. So we have the curving panels connecting with the panels that are able to do cubes and that sort of thing. And then we have special shapes, so you can do things like these ramps with panels that are triangular in shape.
Nice.
And again, these panels here are transparent, but you can also flip switches and make them opaque if you want to.
So we're in Las Vegas.
Yeah.
And this might be the best show right now.
This morning, this booth was announced to be one of the top 10 booths that people should see at InfoCom, along with Sony and Panasonic and a bunch of other big names. So this is definitely an attraction here.
And let's walk up here again.
Sure.
So what's the demo you're doing here?
Well, the idea is we want to kick a goal. We've got YesTech's mascot here named Victory, and we want to try to beat him. So you can go ahead and do it.
Goal! Okay, I just need to trigger it.
Oh, it switched.
Yeah. You ended the demo.
We do have some different content here. Right now it's kind of nice because we have this Chinese theme, and this will stay up here for a little while, and it's going through the different seasons.
So YesTech has been doing LED screens for 25 years?
This is their 25th anniversary, yeah.
Nice.
Now we've got the snow, now we've got the cherry blossoms.
So is it true that when people negotiate with YesTech, it's always say yes at the end of the negotiations?
Yeah, we never say no to anybody. And nobody can say no to a company that uses YesTech products, for sure.
And what do we see here? This more like a rollable?
This is what's called an all-in-one. So this has not only the LED panels, but it has the controller and speakers and everything built in, and it's on wheels so you can move it around if you like. And that's a 1080 wall that you can just literally plug in an AC to the wall and put your image on it.
And let's check it out a little bit more.
Sure.
You say winner of a
this
award?
is the Best in Show winner. This is the Mega model. This is a high-grade touring panel. Here's what one panel looks like. But if you look at the back of these panels, you can see it's got wind bracing on it. So this is designed to be used.
1 second. So you say wind bracing?
This has wind bracing on it, which is removable, but this allows you to use this outdoors. It's outdoor IP rated, so it can be in rain, really heavy winds, and it won't ever fail.
And you can just pack a bunch of them in these?
Yeah, these are tour carts. So you can have 6 square meters in one tour cart, and you can load dozens of these on a semi-trailer. So the idea is if you're doing big shows like a Taylor Swift show or something like that, you wheel the stuff off the truck onto the stage, and then you connect the panels and hoist them up.
And these 2 carts enough for the whole thing, maybe?
I don't know how many square meters we have. There's not 25 square meters here.
5 meters.
5 meters tall?
Yeah.
And 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 20 meters, 20 square meters. This wall right here.
All right. It's really nice. So how has been your experience here at the InfoCom? What people have been asking and talking about?
I think the best thing is people come in here and they've seen stuff they've never seen before, because most of the LED companies here, and there's quite a few of them, you go into their booth and you see squares or rectangles. At YesTech, you see all these different shapes, and you see really unique content. And that's what sets YesTech apart. And it lets us talk about how YesTech is different.
And there should definitely be customers right here in Las Vegas for this stuff.
Oh, absolutely, sure. Yeah, there's a lot of LED in Las Vegas, no question.
But the world is much bigger than Las Vegas, right?
That's right.
So it should be easy for you to sell a lot of these, right?
Yeah, and the reason that it's a big part of my business is because I've been to Asia and I've seen how much LED can be absorbed out there, and the United States still has a tremendous amount of opportunity, and I think YesTech has some of the best product for it.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.